Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my video. Once again, I hope you are doing very well. So guys, today I'm gonna do the practice of speaking this language, speaking English language. I will share this trick with you that how do I do English practice, so you could also apply this trick to do English practice. So guys, I hope you all are doing very well. So I will just start from my morning. I woke up in the morning at 8 a.m. and then after I prepared for the school. I went to school, there I enjoyed my day, and then after I kept spending time with my friend and I had a lot of crazy activities with my friend. So this was really great. I enjoyed the day. And then after, when my school was over, I came back to my home by the van. So this was my routine from my school to my home. And then after what I did, I just took my mobile. I needed to complete the listening task because learning English language, you know what, it's important that you have to listen. As much as you will listen, you will learn this language. So that's why every day after coming from the school, I do complete the listening task. I watch educational videos, I watch speeches in English language, and even I watch, the podcasts of Jack Ma and the podcasts of Elon Musk. Because their podcasts are really great for me. I can also complete the listening task, and as well as I can get the knowledge of becoming billionaire at the future. So this was really great. And then after completing the listening task, I got to know that Iran has won the war from America. So that's why I just wish to watch 2 or 3 videos on the TikTok about the Iran. And then after what I did, I washed my hand and face. I did some exercise because every day I do exercise. If I don't do exercise, I will just gain my weight, and as well as I won't stay fit and I may get into so many diseases. So that's why I protect myself. Every day I do exercise so I could stay fit and I could be prevented from so many diseases. And then after I came here to do practice. So friends, you might have got this idea how to do English practice even if you don't have a partner. It doesn't matter that you are not with any partner, because we can also do the English practice by talking to ourselves. We can talk to ourselves, we can talk about anyone, and even though we can talk about the day, how did we spend the time, which activities that we did at the daytime. So this is how I do English practice, and I hope you really liked my video. So guys, this is how I'm starting my journey. But I started my English journey, in 6th class. Right now, I'm in 8th class, but I'm about to move into the 9th class. In 6th class, I had no idea what to do and how to start out my English journey and from where to learn English. Because in 6th class, I had zero knowledge. I didn't even know how to start to learn this language. So that's why I searched on the YouTube how to learn English. And there, I got one helpful course for you, which I'm also gonna mention into this video. That was dear sir's video, and his video was really helpful for me because in that video he told that he was going to launch the English course, which could be beneficial for students to learn this language. So that's why I took dear sir's course, and that was really helpful for me. After taking that course, I got the sense how to do English practice. After taking that course, I just got the sense how to start the English journey. So since that time, I kept doing these exercises, listening, practicing, speaking. And there are so many tasks which I want to share with you. There is also reading, there is also writing. But mostly, I don't complete the reading task and the writing task because I don't get time. I'm a student, I go to school, and then after coming from the school, I have a school homework, and after that, I have to do the practice. So that's why I just do the speaking practice, I do the listening practice, and sometimes I do the sharing practice. So friends, this is how I learned the English language. By completing these types of tasks, I really enjoy doing English practice. Whenever I speak, I feel confident, I feel motivated. And even though when I don't feel confident, when I don't feel motivated, I just push myself because I'm disciplined. Every day I have to do the English practice, then I have to do. There's no excuse. I don't make excuse because I know that it's me who's gonna change my life. There is no one who could change my life except your father, because father is the person in your life who guides you and who teaches you good habits. When I was in 5th class, as I told you that I started learning English language in 6th class, but in 5th class, I was not that much able to even think that I could also learn this language. But my father, he supported me. He suggested me to learn this language, and as well as he guided me so many times and he helped me. My father, he challenged me. If I start to learn this language, if I start to speak every day or to speak somehow, he will get me new mobile phone. So that's why I was really happy because I was gonna get the new mobile phone So that's why I started learning this language. I searched on my father's mobile how to learn this language, and this is how I started my journey. And today I'm on an intermediate level and I can speak about anyone, any specific topic, and even though I could introduce myself in this language. So I'm really happy and I'm thankful to my father who guided me, who supported me, and who got me this dream to speak this language. Today I'm really happy because I can explain anyone, and even though I can take my life decisions, because now I have opened the doors of my dreams. Because by learning this language, you can do anything and you can achieve your dreams. You know what? In 6th class, when I started to learn this language, at that time, I used to watch English videos on the YouTube. So at that time, I also told myself that when I would be able, when I would have this access to speak in English language, and then I would also make my channel and I would be uploading my videos on the YouTube channel. So friends, now I have made my YouTube channel and you are watching my video. So friends, if you really liked my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like it, and tell me in the comments that you are gonna start out your English journey from today by applying my trick. And what, as I do English practice, you can also do the English practice with yourself. You don't need any partner. You do not need to wait for the partner. You can do English practice alone at your home with yourself. So we'll catch you later. Allah Hafiz.